Hello friends, good morning. This is Deep Ahlawat. Welcome to the Hit Fit Ahlawat. Today is 6th October and today is a special day, World Cerebral Palsy Day. Cerebral palsy is a kind of disease which occurs during the birth or at the birth. It's a kind of abnormal development of brain, and it usually occurs in the children's those are premature, or the injury which they get in the early stage of before 2 or 3 years. So in this disease, the body, the arms and legs, they fail their control over their arms and leg. So World Organization, since 1945, the World Cerebral Palsy Day is being organized to bring the awareness among the people to avoid these kind of disease and to promote those people who are suffering from this severe disease. Let me tell you about this disease. I'll not go any deep detail, but I'll just brief about the what is all about the Cerebral Palsy Day. Cerebral palsy, it can also be due to the reason when the baby which is not born don't get enough oxygen, or due to the lack of some nutrient, the development of the brain do not occur properly as it should have been. So due to the those reasons, the brain development do not occur which a normal child has that level of development. So to promote those children, to promote those people, and to spread the awareness, the importance of health not only impact you. If you maintain your health, it will also help to make the environment more healthier. Also, it will help you to focus on your work. Today I did my running, and the normal workout which I used to do routinely, some dips, हमारे यहाँ पे इसको डंड बोलते हैं. तो 1-2-3 सेट इसके लगाता हूँ. एक सेट में 50, फिर उसके बाद 40-30, और जब तक 5 से कम ना लगा पाऊँ तब तक लगाता हूँ. ओवरऑल काउंटिंग नहीं करता. सो एटलीस्ट हफ्ते में 2 या 3 दिन तो ऐसे होते हैं जो कि सिर्फ डिप्स डे, डन डे बोलते हैं. इन्वायरमेंट काफ़ी अच्छा है. सुबह सुबह उठिए और वर्कआउट कीजिए. और जो इस टाइप के जो बहुत सारे लोग जो इसमें सफ़र कर रहे हैं, आपके रिलेशन में या फिर नेबर में, उनको हेल्प कीजिए, मदद कीजिए, उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए, उनको मोटिवेट कीजिए. द सेरेब्रल palsy is a disease which is not curable. It remains throughout the life. So with the help of some treatment, you can improve the health, you can improve some function, but it cannot be cured. So you need to take care of those who are the girls who are already pregnant. They need more care and attention. Their diet should be maintained and a healthy environment should be given to them. These girls, the pregnant lady, also need to be aware of these facts, that if they will not look after their health, and the consequences of their negligence can be beared by the child which is about to come throughout the life, and it cannot be cured. So you have to ensure those pregnant lady who are not taking it seriously have to look after their health and have to take healthy diet, a good routine, healthy sleep, timely sleep, and some physical movement is essential, especially in early morning. After the COVID, people have just stuck inside the boundaries. Now the unlocking is after the unlock, almost all the sector, all the area have been unlocked. So you can go outside the park, you can maintain the social distance. It doesn't mean that you are living in isolation, you are living in a compact room, then only you can maintain the isolation. You can maintain the isolation even if you are at the ground, even you are at the public place. Only the thing is you have to maintain the 2 meter distance. क्या कहते हैं, 2 गज की दूरी है ज़रूरी. So isolation doesn't never mean that you are inside a cabin structure. If you are, look, at this time, am I not in isolation? Yes, I am alone. Nobody is around me. And if you are interacting with some people, you can maintain the distance. I am not giving the lecture of the COVID isolation as it has been already given. But you know, health is such a important aspect of our life which you have to listen again and again. Now the winter, almost the summer has gone, and the weather is just shifting. So lots of disease are just catching. So you have to maintain a right routine of your life, of your physical activity. Daily have to give 15 to 20 minutes to your health, and also motivate those people who are not doing this. You can, if you are not able to spare that 15 minutes, you can do these kind of activity while doing the work. You can use the stair, you can go by a walk by foot to the office where you used to go with vehicle. So these are the things you have to maintain, and save the nature. You can plant some tree. These are the message which I always give and will remain giving. Okay, so okay, bye. That's all for the video of today, 6th November. Okay, bye.